Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your HubSpot account permanently. So you have an HubSpot account, you use that account to use the CRM of HubSpot, you use that account for many other reasons, and now you don't need that account or you want to delete that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete your HubSpot account permanently in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete a HubSpot account is open a browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you go to hubspot.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into that account. So in order to log into that account, what you want to do is tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, you'll be asked to enter the credentials. So enter the credentials and log into the account that you want to delete. Once you log into the account, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to delete the account, what you want to do is tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the settings icon, you land on a general settings. Now here from the left hand side list, you need to go into a security settings. Once you get into a security settings, scroll down to the bottom and here you'll have an option labeled as permanently remove delete my user account. So tap on the delete my user account button. Once you tap on the delete my user account button, a pop-up window like this will open. Now here what HubSpot will do is ask you to enter the email address that you want to delete the user from. So go ahead and enter your email address that you used to create a HubSpot account. Once you enter the email address that you want to delete, tap on the delete user button. Once you tap on the delete user button, you'll successfully delete your HubSpot account permanently. So those were the simple steps in order to delete your HubSpot account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.